Amid the uproar over India-Pakistan clash in the World Championship of Legends, now travel portal Ease My Trip has said that it will not be associated with the India versus Pakistan match in the WCL. Issuing a statement, Nishan Pati said that India versus Pakistan WCL semi-final. We applaud Team India for their outstanding performance in the World Championship of Legends. You have made the nation proud. However, the upcoming semi-final against Pakistan is not just another game. Terror and cricket cannot go hand in hand. The Ease My Trip said, we stand with India. We cannot support any event that attempts to normalize relations with a country that promotes terrorism. The people of India have spoken and we hear them. Ease My Trip will not be associated with the India versus Pakistan match in the WCL. It further added, some things are bigger than sport. Nation first, business later. Anyways. So that is the big story that we are tracking for you. Ease My Trip has withdrawn from the India versus Pakistan WCL semi-final. Nishan Pati says that terror and cricket cannot go hand in hand. So this is the big statement coming in as far as India versus Pakistan match is concerned. Remember, the issue had also led to it had also reverberated in Parliament. And now Ease My Trip co-founder Nishant Pati has announced that the travel platform will not be associated with the upcoming India versus Pakistan semi-final match in the WCL. And he noted that terror and cricket cannot go hand in hand. And he said this in his platform that his platform stands with India and criticize any event that he believes attempts to normalize relations with a country that promotes terrorism. Here he was speaking about Pakistan, of course, and the decision to withdraw from the match sponsorship, he said, was guided by public sentiment. He said that the people of India have spoken and we hear them.